What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I was planning to do a small little experiment with these waste tea bags. So I have cut open these tea bags. There is some waste tea leaves that are still present in these bags. All I'm doing is I am topping it up with some coco peat. So this is just plain coco peat, there is no soil. So basically these bags contain some waste tea leaves and then topped it up with some coco peat, wet coco peat. I will then go ahead and put in some seeds. So this is basically going to work as a seedling bag for those seeds. Now the reason why I'm planning to do this is because I do not want to invest into seedling trays. This is going to be an unnecessary purchase of plastic. So let's try with whatever material or whatever resources we have. So here I have filled up these tea bags with a good amount of coco peat. I have a plastic container that I will be using, that is a waste food container. I have cleaned it very well, washed it, and I'm going to be using this as a base wherein the tea bag will be sitting in. I've kept a piece of rock so that the tea bag does not fall apart. Now here I have two seeds. The small dark ones are the Winca, whereas the two larger ones are Cosmos seeds. I don't remember what color it is. We will get to know once they start to flower. So now I have carefully placed both the Wincas in one tea bag and the other Cosmos seeds in the other tea bag, because when you tend to open these tea bags, they are ideally double pack. So I was able to get two bags. So in each bag I have placed two different types of seeds. I'll top it up with a little bit more of coco peat. Once I'm done with that, I will quickly moisten the bag with a little bit of water so that it can retain moisture. Now because this is coco peat and there is waste tea leaves, both tend to retain moisture, so it is going to work out really well for our seedlings. The next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up this container with the lid so that the moisture and the humidity is retained inside, because my environment is very dry and I do not want this to dry out. So this plastic lid is going to help retain that moisture. So I'm going to set this aside in indirect light and I'll get back to you. So guys, it's been 3 days that we have done this experiment. Time to open up the lid, and here you go. As you can see, the two seeds of our Cosmos has germinated. The Winca has not germinated yet, but it's absolutely fine. We will take out the bags from this container. So the whole purpose of this experiment was the easy plantation. I already have half pot of soil. Now all I have to do is just place the tea bag in the center and I'm going to start filling in the soil. So basically with this method I do not need to uproot the seedlings. I can directly transfer it into the soil. Because these tea bags are made out of paper, they will decompose over the period of time. There is also some waste tea leaves that is going to provide nutrients to these seedlings, as well as there is coco peat that is going to retain some moisture. So the next thing what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and replenish some more soil in this pot up till the edge of that tea bag. I should have put it a little bit more deeper, but I can do that next time. So this was one of the experiment that I was planning to do from a very long time, and I'm very happy with the germination rate. I had put two seeds of Cosmos and both of them have germinated within 3 days. So that is a very good germination rate. So I have topped it up with some soil. The next step is very important because the soil in this pot is completely bone dry. So we are going to mist first and then soak the entire soil until the water starts passing through the drain hole. We cannot keep the seedlings in dry soil, otherwise the seedlings will dry out. They are very delicate at this point of time. There is enough moisture in that coco peat and tea leaves, but still we need to maintain a good amount of moisture in the soil. I will soak the soil completely and then keep it in indirect bright light. Once they reach couple of inches, I will then move them to direct morning sunlight, wherein they will get sunlight until 11 a.m. Because Cosmos is a flowering plant that requires minimum 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight. Only then they will start to bloom and grow healthy. So as of now, we are done with a complete watering. and it's going to be kept aside in indirect bright light for them to grow a little bit longer. Once they reach a couple of inches, I will definitely make an update video on these seeds. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.